Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're doing a review, a comparison between Gemini and ChatGPT. That's right, we want to see which AI chatbot reigns supreme in 2025. So let's get started. Because we know that choosing the right AI chatbots can be tough, especially with existing new options like Google Gemini entering the scene, and we also have ChatGPT, and we don't know which of them is the best fit for your needs because both of them offer powerful AI capabilities, but they have key differences. So should you stick with the familiar ChatGPT or should you go to Gemini? Is it worth the switch? So making the right choice can impact your productivity and user experience. Now in this review we're going to break down Gemini and ChatGPT, compare their features, strengths and weaknesses. So by the end you should have a clear understanding of which AI chatbot is right for you. So let's get started. Let's start with Gemini. This is ChatGPT. Let's start with Gemini. Now Gemini is just like having a chatbot that's not only smart but also creative. That is Gemini in a nutshell. It goes beyond answering questions and can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content. For example, I want to ask Gemini to tell us about itself. So let's keep going. It also writes different kinds of creative content. Like I said, it generates text and even answers your question in an informative way. You can see it's answering my question. You can see everything it has to say. Answering question, generating creative content, summarizing information, translating in language, coding. So everything you need to know about Gemini, it is giving it to you. So what are the key benefits of Gemini? We have Google search integration because it taps into Google's vast knowledge base for accurate and up-to-date responses. Creative writing. It helps generate poems, scripts, musical pieces, email, and letters. It does so many great things. You can see the features here, key and features, advanced research, advanced reasoning, coding proficiency, integration with Google services, continuous improvement, and it is highly advanced. So let's move on. It also has multimodal capability, which means it understands to generate text, images, and code. And when it comes to pricing, we have the free version, which is what I'm using right now. And if you want to try the advanced version, you click on try advanced version over here, and you will pay to unlock advanced features like longer context window and priority. So for those the price will be written here. So for we in Nigeria is about 28,500 naira per month. Thereafter, for the first 1 month it is 0 naira, and then thereafter you pay this amount. And these are the things it comes with. So you want to start the trial, you click on start trial. Now, the pros and the cons, it is really smart. The pros is that it's really smart and you get what you're asking. It can even do more than talk. It's like it can also take pictures also. It works well with other Google stuff you might use. It's still getting better, so it's only getting cooler. But for the cons, it is not perfect yet and might have some hiccups. We don't know how much it will cost eventually, if it will cost more than this later. And you might have to wait a bit to try out this particular feature when it is advanced more than this, because we have a feeling it's going to be more advanced, and like I said, it's learning every day. Now let's look at ChatGPT. Now we're through with Gemini. Let's go to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. Let's ask it what it can do, because it is our AI buddy. So this is it. It's telling me everything about itself. So it's like an AI body that always up for a chat. It can write stories, answer your questions, even try to crack a joke or two. It's really versatile. Now let's look at it. This as well as what it is, the summary of what it is. Those are the key aspects of how it works, and the tasks it can help you with: answering questions, creative writing, technical assistance, personal conversations, problem solving, giving us its limitations and its personality, giving us how it can be helpful. So in other words, it is a really great one. Now when it comes to pricing, it's actually pretty free. Yes, ChatGPT is free, but it has a ton of value. But if you want to upgrade this, it's what they call a ChatGPT Plus. Let's see how much is ChatGPT Plus. So let's see if it knows how much it is. It costs about $20 per month. It gives you access to GPT mouse for the more advanced version of the model, and it provides some benefit over the free tier, so faster response time. Alright, so it can help you get smarter response, upload files and images, and more. Once sign up, click on sign up here. Now while that's happening, let's look at the pros and the cons. For the pro, it's a little chat, does lots of stuff, free to use if you don't want to pay, and learn. It also learns new things every day. Now when it comes to the con, it is not always right. Yes, it also makes mistakes. It can sound kind of boring and repetitive, and it's slow sometimes. Now let's do a comparison of the both of them and see what we've got. So one the comparison about them, when it comes to ease of use, Google Gemini takes it a step further. Yes, because it has seamless integration into Google Workspace. When it comes to language model and knowledge base, both of them boast impressive language models, but Gemini Advanced is on its early test stage, so it has a slight edge in understanding complex queries and providing news responses. When it comes to multimodal capability, Google Gemini truly shines in this particular part. When it comes to coding prowess, both of them offer developers and coders assistance with code generation and debugging. However, it suggests that, from our research, Gemini Advanced might have a slight advantage in this area. When it comes to price and accessibility, ChatGPT offers a free version as long with Gemini also, but the exact pricing structure for Google Gemini is yet to be revealed yet. We have Google Gemini, we have the pricing here, but it might change. But for now, you want to look at what it is for now, it is not that bad. When it comes to integration of other Google apps, Google Gemini is designed to integrate seamlessly with the entire Google Workspace suite. When it comes to future potential, both AI models are constantly evolving, but Google Gemini has the backing of a tech giant with immense resources. So this suggests that Gemini's capability will expand rapidly, potentially surpassing ChatGPT in the long run. So which AI tool is right for you? Well, you have to check on purpose, check integration, check budget, check future proofing. So remember that there's no one size fits all answer. Weigh your priorities and choose the chatbot that best aligns with your individual needs and preference. Now, for our pick, as after the research we've done, while ChatGPT is a solid AI tool with a proven track record, we believe that Google Gemini takes the crown in our comparison. Now remember, this is an early assessment. As both AI tools continue to evolve, we'll keep you updated with the latest developments and insights. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.